Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing a solar flashlight. And the reason I got this solar flashlight is because you have to be prepared in emergencies. A lot of people are not buying the right equipment, so I decided to get one of these solar flashlights so you guys can see what you get in an emergency situation. Let me get it in shot here. There it is. And this specific brand is NPET. So this is the brand I have, and it has the USB micro charging bank. And you turn it around here, and it'll show you additional functions that it has. You guys can see this in the shot here. This is a compass right here. This is the part that'll break the window. This is a part for the seat belt. This is a magnet over here, and here at the end is a speaker. So let me take it out of the box so you guys can see this here. Let's see which way we go here. Alright. Box is open this way. Oh, here we go. Then you see the little paper on the top here with the specs. Tells you everything. The battery, about the little solar panel built in on here. Okay. This is just a regular NPET card. Don't worry about that. And here it is right here. Let's see what I have in here first before I get to the main event. This got a little micro USB cable here, and that is about it that's in the box. Alright, back to the light here. And you guys can see right here is where the USB connection is, with that little part up here, and you can see it. It's micro USB, and then the regular USB connection, because you can use that to charge this battery if you would like, or just use the solar panel on top of it. Get that. And that's the magnet here. It's pretty powerful. It's a pretty powerful magnet. And then this is to break your windshield, any window basically. I'm not going to be breaking any windows, but this is what this is for. And this right here is the seat belt cutter. There's a blade right in here you can use to cut the seat belt. And you guys can see the panel here starts to light up, because it's using the light coming off my lights right now to charge itself. You can see this. Anytime it's in direct light, you can see the panel will start taking in the light here. And then the bottom has, you guys can see any of this, it picks it up, a little speaker on the bottom here, because it's supposed to have an emergency you hear that right there. Didn't mean to scare you guys. The emergency speaker, you can press that. That's real loud. And the power button is right here on the top. Let's see a little bit here. It's not fully charged, so you guys are not going to be able to see bright beam, but these are all the effects it goes through. Regular light comes on, more focus beam, then the strobe light effect comes on right there. And then the USB here, you can use this, you can actually use this for your phone, or you can use it, you know, just to charge this. There's two different ports on here. I'm going to try to hook it up to my battery here. This is a auxiliary battery, and as you can see, it's charging the battery. But you can use this, you can hook your phone up to this. You don't have to be like using a battery like I am doing, but you can also hook your cell phone up to this, through this port here. Take that apart, there we go. So this is great for any emergencies you guys may have. And right now, all the stuff that's been happening in California, you know, all the storms, you have all these snowstorms, all these weather events happening, you guys would be doing yourself a great benefit getting one of these. You don't have to worry about charging it. You can just charge by the solar, by the sun. So it's a great for emergencies. So hope you guys think about something like this. But I love it. It's up to you guys if you guys want to get one of these in the future. But I love this little thing, and the reason I have it because, as I've said before in some of my other videos, I live in Florida, and we get all kind of thunderstorms, hurricanes, all that fun stuff, and it's good to be prepared. All right, and thank you guys for watching the video. I hope this was helpful for you, informative, and it helps you in the future. Bye bye.